of crab legs and bring back nothing but shell and say, I didn't like these, and he'd have to give their money back. Yeah. Well, I don't know, maybe this was years ago, so I don't know if that's still true or not, but it used to drive him nuts, and he finally said, I can't work like this.
The Sovereign Citizen.
Pre-trial date on those is going to be live in my courtroom, August 13th, at 11:30 in the morning. Understood?
Yes, sir.
On the felony file, we're going to schedule a probable cause conference on Zoom August 4th with Judge Martin.
Yes, sir.
Counsel, let's talk about bond.
Judge, I know that the police department is recommending 5,000%, but we are actually asking for a personal bond since these are all 26 cases. Mr. Carney was actually supposed to have a job interview 2 days ago, but the day before he had a car accident. And so he's been a little disheveled, doesn't have the ability to post a cash bond due to the rough time that he's been going through. I have explained to him the ramifications around not returning to court if he is giving a personal bond, but I don't think that he has any reason to not return, Your Honor.
All right. What's the employment situation?
He's not employed presently, but was supposed to have a job interview.
When's the last time you worked, Mr. Carney?
The last time I worked an actual job was last spring, but I've been doing DoorDash as a temporary thing in the background basically this whole time.
Just give me an idea, average week, how many hours were you door dashing?
About 20 hours, 25, 30 hours. As much as I can. I had nothing else to do all day. I had to feed myself. That was the only thing I could do.
So what other responsibilities do you have?
No people, just some stuff now, like my car is in the impound, my mini bike is in the impound. I gotta pay to get those out.
I'm talking about for the last year, you look like a healthy guy and you're working 20 hours a week. What else are you doing?
I was just living in my car. That's what I was saying. I was just living in my car. And
Okay.
I went down to Ohio for a week in June. And then I came back within a week because my girlfriend was down there. But that's it.
Whose address do I have in the file for this 898 Sumter?
So that is his mother's prior address. Oh, of course, he can't return there and he doesn't live there. He's hoping that if he is allowed out, that he'll be able to go to his grandmother's house.
All right, well, here's the problem. I'm not letting him out of there without an alcohol tether. He's picked up 2 drunk driving charges in less than 3 weeks. So I got to have an address to GPS tether him. So if my option is set a high enough bond that he's not out, or let him out and I don't know where he's going, I'm not letting him out.
I don't know my grandmother's address. We could find it and
me having your grandmother's address and her not letting you in the front door don't do me much good. So
well, I'm sure I haven't been able to talk to her over this. I don't even know if she knows what's happened with my car accident. Even since my car accident, I haven't been able to talk to her. So I don't know if she won't let me stay with her, or my stepfather, or my aunt. I don't know. I have another aunt in right there on Cherry Hill. Her name's Tracy Traxler.
Okay, but brother, I'm not making phone calls to your relative to find you a bed for tonight. Who's the observer that's on my Zoom?
It's the tether.
I didn't ask any questions, right? Mr. Carney. You shouldn't be talking. Who's the observer that's on my Zoom? Hello? Observer for Carney.
Are you referring to me, Officer Valinsky, sir?
No, I got an observer for Carney that's zoomed in this morning.
I got it. I'm sorry, I don't know how to use the app, Your Honor, but I've figured it out now. My name is Tony Hitzman.
And what, you related to Mr. Carney?
I am related by proximity. He's my best friend's son.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
That's fine. I just wanted to know if you were one of these relatives he's talking about.
Okay. Well, I do have information regarding that. If
Sure, go ahead.
You would like it, Your Honor.
Yeah, yeah. What do you got?
Judge, can we have
Okay,
her come on
so-
camera just 'cause
All right,
we don't know who that
I
is?
can
I'm sorry.
absolutely turn my
Hold
camera
on. I
on.
got too many people talking. Hold on, ma'am.
All right.
Miss Darby, I didn't hear what you said.
Yeah, I was just asking if we could have her come on camera just because she's
Yeah.
saying one thing, but we
Yeah.
don't really know
Yeah.
if this is her or not.
You know something about his living arrangement options, ma'am?
Yes, I do. And he has no options. His grandmother, his mother has a PPO against him for violent threats and harassment. His stepfather has just filed a PPO 2 days ago for violent threats and harassment. They actually moved out of the house at 898 Sumter Road to a new address to remove themselves from Mr. 𝘾𝙤𝙤. His grandmother, Virginia 𝘾𝙤𝙤, sold the house and moved into a 55 community where he is not allowed to enter premises. I mean, he could visit, but she's not going to allow him to. She purchased his car. She paid for all of his insurance. Frank has a drinking problem, and he has been offered many options for housing. I had a whole program set up for him through Detroit Furnace. Okay, the heating and cooling company, they run a 3-quarter house where they offer employment and AA and help with the court. It's a wonderful program. He refuses to take it. That's why he's continued living in his car. He has no address to be tethered to.
Yeah.
And he has slid on every charge. Okay, he has slid every time he's been busted. Every time.
All right.
He has nowhere to go if you release him. Okay, and that, I'm going to say my personal recommendation is that you do keep him in because he has to go.
All right.
So
Let me ask you this.
he's just, if
Geographically,
you let him out, he's just going to do the same
geographically,
thing.
where do you live? I don't want an address, just where do you live?
I'm in
All right.
I'm in
You
River
got to come
Rouge.
in and come see me and tell me more about this Detroit Furnace place. That sounds like a wonderful
I can do that.
resource that I'd like to know about.
It's an amazing program. It is.
Never
It's
heard of it.
absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
When would you like me to come?
What's convenient for you?
It would have to be after 2:00 today.
What's
Would have
your
to be after
schedule
2
look
o'clock.
like Monday or Tuesday
I'm-
next week?
I can come Monday next week. Just whatever time, just schedule it.
You tell me what time works for you.
Will 11 a.m. work?
Let me look.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
That'll
11
work.
a.m. Monday. I can be
Yeah.
there.
Jamie,
And you're
get that face.
I'm sorry?
Get that
you're
face.
you,
34th District Court on Wayne Road in Romulus, Judge Oakley. When you get here, just tell security I'm waiting to see you.
you got it.
All
You
right?
got it.
Yeah,
All right.
next Monday.
Next Monday?
Next Monday. Yeah. 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 Thank you,
Now,
ma'am. I
it-
appreciate that. Sounds like a
Absolutely.
wonderful program.
And please
All
know
right.
that the only reason that I'm willing to interject here is because Frank actually does need help. Okay, he
Oh, that's
does
obvious.
need help.
Obvious.
He's just young and he's got the world by the butt like we all did. There's been no penalty for him so far.
Right.
And he
Okay. I appreciate your
Okay.
comments, ma'am. Counsel, do you want to have another
Absolutely.
breakout room with Mr. 𝘾𝙤𝙤? Because I'm not letting him out if there's not a plan. I mean, this
We
guy's a
did
danger.
we did discuss that, but I mean, I'm happy to go back and let him know, given the new information that the court has just received.
All right.
I'm happy to rediscuss with him.
All right, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Can you break out
Right.
again? Or Whitney, just stick him in a breakout again.
do I keep my camera on?
No, you can turn your
You
camera
can
off.
turn it off now.
I'll put him in a breakout room.
Thank you.
I'm just checking his name or what?
This is a civil infraction, and I'm gonna think to ask them, schedule it with his hearing on the 13th, because otherwise it's just gonna go to default.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna have them schedule that.
Perfect. All right. Blazer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Good morning, counsel.
My name is Michael Jason Blazer.
Thank you.
For the purposes of.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, Rayful already, Judge will stand you.
You have a resolution.
Yeah, you do. Put it on the record.
He's going to plead to an added count. Driving while license suspended.
Okay. Sir, you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? The added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on June 24, 26 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
So am I. Did you already pay the no proof of insurance or otherwise take care of that one? Okay. Thank you. All right. What should I know about Mr. Blazer?
He filed this appeal with Secretary of State last September. It was denied because paperwork was correct. He's eligible now this September. I believe he's going to proceed with me and retaining the firm now that we've gotten this taken care of. We're going to roll right into that.
Okay.
So since last one would be in 2010. I think.
So you've got a good chance.
Yeah. But,
Good. Good. Are you working?
Yes.
Where do you work? Okay. How long have you been with Meyer?
For a year and a half. Before that, I ran an auto shop for 15 years.
That's a big transition.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
the guy that I worked for, he ended up getting really sick and he sold his company back to corporate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I had a friend that worked at Myers and he finally left Myers because he couldn't stand their return policy. Yeah. Like people that would pay, they buy.
Problem there.
Yeah. Yeah. But customer's always right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which is why my wife pays so much for her groceries at Myers, right? Yeah. Okay. What else should I consider?
He hasn't been pulled over since. Outside of this, since 2010, he's largely remained out of the criminal justice system. I would just ask for fines and costs.
Okay. All right. Fines that cost $500. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs and make my cashier smile.
Sir?
Thank you. Very good.
You as well, gentlemen.
The Sovereign Citizen.